Itchy scalp?
Aloe vera.
Car won't start?
Aloe vera.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel yet again. Okay, so as you guys can tell by the title, I'm just going to be going over my top 5 favorite hair products that I like to use just to kind of help my cornrows grow out a little bit faster, just to kind of help my 1-month-old cornrows grow at a little bit of a faster rate. Okay, so before we get too far into this video, I do want to go ahead and say thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, if this video is helpful for you, and hit that notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop straight into this video, and let's go ahead and go over the top products that I like to use. And as you can see, I did go ahead and put my cornrows back into my hair. But yeah, I did go ahead and put these in today. I did already apply some of these products to my scalp because my scalp was kind of itching. And for something that I like to use for itchy scalp is always has been Sulfur 8. Although a lot of people don't like how this smells. I mean, honestly, I understand. It doesn't smell the best. But this really does help your hair grow faster. And it does help if you do have itchy scalp as well. This will knock it right out. Like, it'll be gone. Like, you'll be like,
My scalp was itching? Was it?
I really like using this to grow my hair out faster, just to kind of oil my scalp with this product. And honestly, I don't oil my scalp with this like every day. To me, this is not an everyday product simply because of the smell, but it does last for a long time. So if you are going to use this, you don't have to use it every day. I wouldn't recommend using it every day unless you mix it with something that kind of combats that smell a little bit, because the fragrance is strong. Okay, so the next product that I like to use to keep my scalp nice and moisturized and nice and nourished is I like to use this Wild Growth hair oil, and I usually kind of alternate between this and the Sulfur 8. This has a more of a earthy type of smell. It doesn't smell like chemicals. To me, it's just very earthy, and I like the way this smells, and I like the consistency of this oil as well. I feel like personally it's not too thick, but it's not like super thin either, so it definitely gets the job done if you do want to keep your scalp nice and moisturized. And I personally like the way this smells. I think it smells really good. I'm not sure if other people like how this smells, but I do know I really like how this smells. It's not a very fruity fragrance, but I am a fan of it. And this does have a lot of added ingredients in it. So this has coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, rice bran, cocoa, pomegranate. It's like a ton of things in here. And one thing to really help your scalp grow? No. One thing to really help your hair grow is to keep your scalp moisturized, because when your scalp is moisturized, you have more oils and things like that that can actually travel down your hair shaft and keep your hair moisturized. And if your hair is moisturized, it's probably not going to break off as much as if it wasn't moisturized. So it's a really important step to keep your scalp nice and moisturized when you have your cornrows in, and when you're just trying to grow your hair out. Oiling your scalp is like watering a garden or watering a plant. It is destined to grow if you do that. And for the next product, y'all know this is my try and true. This is my ride or die. Like, we go back like 4 flats on a Cadillac. I don't be playing about her and she don't play about me, okay? This is my rice water mix that I use on my scalp. I use this every day. And if not every day, I'll use it every other day. But this is definitely something that is going to help your hair grow. And I personally made this myself. This is the packaging. I will have it linked down below for you, but this is not just regular rice water. The formula that I made for the rice water has a ton of added ingredients that is definitely going to help your hair grow faster and keep your scalp and your hair nourished as well. So in this rice water, I always add lavender oil, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, lemongrass oil, and it's something else I always forget. Oh, and castor oil. So I always add 5 oils into this bottle, And the reason I like to add eucalyptus and peppermint is because that really gets your scalp tingling. And when your scalp is tingling, you guys, it really is just waking up your hair follicles. So I really do like adding those into this product, as well as lavender oil. That's something that is tried and true to also help your hair grow. And listen, when you get this rice water kit, yes, it will come with this bottle, and you will have to make the rice water yourself. Since rice water does ferment, it's not something that I do want to ship out to you guys, and when you guys get it, it's fermented or whatever the case may be. I don't want that to happen. I want you guys to be able to enjoy it and use it, and not spray it on your scalp when it's like stinky, because me personally, I don't like to let mine ferment too long. Everybody's different. Some people like to let it ferment, but since I leave this in my hair, like I use it as a leave-in, so I don't want it to ferment and smell weird. So that's just me personally. But in this rice water kit, you will have a rice water steep bag, and inside that steep bag, it does have dried lavender flowers as well as dried peppermint leaves, and you'll have the organic rice in that. And you'll go ahead and let that steep in a bottle of water. You'll let it steep in about 4 ounces of water, and I usually let mine sit for about 24 hours. That's the most I like to let mine sit for. And then after that, you pour it in the bottle, and it also comes with a small dropper bottle. I'll probably try to have a picture of it inserted so y'all can see, or I'll insert just what the kit looks like. It'll be a picture of what the kit looks like all together and what comes in it. And then you'll insert the all of the oils mixed in a little dropper bottle. You'll put it in here, and this is the rice water that I created, because I just wanted it to have way more benefits than just regular rice water. And if you do know regular rice water, you know that it's really, really beneficial for your hair, for your skin. It has many purposes. So I would definitely recommend trying it out if you do want to experience or just kind of see hair growth firsthand. I do have a ton of rice water videos on my channel. So if this is your first time finding my channel, go ahead and head over to my channel, and you will see a list of rice water videos on there for you. But this is something I definitely use to grow my hair out when I have my cornrows in, and it's really easy. I just spray it on my scalp. I mostly just spray it on my scalp, and this is safe to use if you have box braids or any type of protective style. Like if you want your style to last longer, I would just say focus in on your scalp whenever you're spraying it on, and you'll be, oh, I sprayed my ear, and you'll be fine. But honestly, it smells amazing. And this, I've had this for about, I would say 2.5, maybe 3 weeks now. And typically I like to recommend to keep it refrigerated, but honestly, I have not had this refrigerated, and it still smells so freaking good. Like, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Like, all of those things mixed together, it makes the most amazing smell. If you don't believe me, go to the website and try it for yourself. The next thing I like to use on my hair is, I kind of alternate in between leave-in conditioners, but the one that I've really been loving right now is the Dr. Miracle leave-in conditioner. And this conditioner, or this leave-in conditioner, it's not a very thick product, and I kind of like that. So it's like I can apply it to my hair and it doesn't really feel weighed down, but my hair always feels really soft after I apply it. And I usually like to just kind of go ahead and apply this to the ends of my braids, just because right now my ends are not braided up. Typically I'll braid all of my ends into each other, but I didn't really feel like doing that this time. I just wanted to kind of see my hang time, just kind of see where my braids were stopping pretty much. And I typically just apply that to the ends of my hair, and I might take a little bit and just go through my hair like that. Nothing major, nothing serious. This is definitely the the leave-in conditioner that I'm really enjoying at the moment. So I'm very happy to share this with you guys. If you guys have any recommendations for leave-in conditioners or any scalp oils or scalp treatments, let me know down below, because I do also like to alternate in between leave-ins and in between these scalp oils as well. And last but certainly not least, I love using aloe vera gel for my hair. Listen, you guys, aloe vera, it's like one of those multi-purpose things that you can use for just about anything. Like, you got a burn,
Aloe vera.
itchy scalp,
Aloe vera.
car won't start,
Aloe vera.
okay? It's got you through every situation. But I really enjoy using this aloe vera as a leave-in, but I typically always like to mix this aloe vera, or whenever I use aloe vera gel, because I do sometimes like to use the regular plant. Like, I'll just scrape the plant and blend it up and, you know, add a few essential oils in it. But this is way easier for me to use. It just cuts the time in half as far as the whole process of having to cut it and scrape it and all that. So I like using aloe vera gel as a leave-in on my hair, and typically I just mix it in with some type of essential oil, because as you guys know, aloe vera doesn't have the most friendliest smell either, okay? We already know. We've talked about this. And I'm not the only one, because the other aloe vera video that I posted, a lot of people were saying, yeah, girl, aloe vera got a smell. Like, it has a smell. So I like to mix it with something just to kind of combat that smell. I'm not too fond of the natural smell, but it just has so many benefits that the good definitely outweighs the bad. And the aloe vera gel that I have been using lately is from the company 7 Minerals, and I will also have this link down below for you guys if you do want to purchase this and just try this gel out for yourself, because personally this just makes the process a little bit easier for me, and it just saves you time if you don't want to have to go through the whole process of making aloe vera gel from scratch. And this bottle is a 12-ounce bottle, and I've used it a couple times and it's still pretty high in the bottle, so it will definitely last you a long time. I'm not entirely sure on the exact price, but I will have it linked down below for you guys if you are interested in trying this out as well. So yeah, so that is pretty much all the products I use on my 1-month-old cornrows, or on my hair when I'm trying to get to that 1-month mark. As far as my cornrows, very easy, very self-explanatory. I like to keep it pretty simple as far as what I put on my hair, but it's very important that even though your hair is in cornrows, it's super important to keep it moisturized and keep it growing and flowing. So that's just what I like to use. If you guys have followed my channel for a while, you know that most of these products are tried and true. Well, at least 2, because y'all hear about rice water, sulfur-8 all the time, and aloe vera all the time. You know what? And this. I be talking about these products all the time. Like, these are my go-to products whenever I am wearing cornrows in my hair, and whenever I'm trying to grow my hair out. We like to keep it simple, but we want to get the job done. So that is pretty much it for this video. I'm hoping that this made it to the 10-minute mark. Let me go ahead and check. Y'all, I don't know why. I like to at least post 10-minute long videos, just because I don't like posting no 5-minute video, because I feel like I could be talking way more, or just sharing a little bit more knowledge than that. But yeah, am I recording still? Okay, we're still recording. Okay, great. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for even clicking on my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.